Isa pa ulit. Mamaya hikain na naman.
Oo, matawag kasi ng tao.
Kalot naman. Double dito. Dikit na. Si Jun, hindi ako nakita naman si Jun. Si Jun lahat ng nakakasa.
Yun!
Okay, kaya naman marami nang nag-aabang sa season 2 nito. At ngayong 2011,
Mag-audition ako dyan eh.
team ang buong bansa para muling humanap ng mga bago at kakaibang talento ng mga nakakabilib na Pinoy. At syempre, kasama pa rin ang mga Pilipinas Got Talent judges sa sina Miss Ai de las Alas, Mr. Freddy M. Garcia, at Miss Grace Aquino. At ngayong hapon, ang makukulit na host ng Pilipinas Got Talent. Sana Billy Crawford, live na live.
Nag-holding hands talaga. Yan na!
It's such a pleasure being here, sharing great moments.
Talaga yun.
Sharing great moments. No, thank you very much. Yeah, great moments na. Sharing great things. And I'm very excited. Excited. Talaga?
Yes, ma'am. Pilipinas Got Talent. Lahat ng mga kapamilya natin talagang na-enjoy na ng drama.
Yes! Tama! Kiss! Kiss!
Nangangalay na ako.
Kumangalay.
Gumagalaw na nga eh.
Maraming umaasa dyan.
Tsaka yung sinasabi nga namin, it's true, expect the unexpected talaga. Ang dami niyong makikita, matatawa kayo.
Ayan!
Si Luluboy nga, naiiyak. So imagine lahat, oh, meron! At of course, matatawa kayo, maiiyak kayo, may excite kayo, kabado. Ito na, dati ano yung sabi ni Miss Ai, sabi niya, buhay ng katawan lupa. Ngayon, kailangan agaw buhay na.
Agaw buhay.
Oo, dapat
Agaw buhay. Yun!
Ito talaga, Diyos,
Hindi, wala. Tinatanong lang ako meron.
Yes.
May taping na.
Ay, sobra. Which is tonight.
Tonight!
Start natin tonight, 8:45 ng gabi. That's after
MMK.
And then on Sundays, it's 8:45 as well. And it's after Raymond K. But galaw yung maintindihan.
At Benny, may tanong ako sa'yo. Benny, may tanong ako sa'yo. Kailan ulit ng Pilipinas Got Talent? Hindi ka matutuloy dun sa plano na bumalik ng France para ipagpatuloy yung
Aww! Nasad kami.
Salamat naman na gusto niyo kong palis eh.
Hindi!
Hindi,
Oh no!
parang na-push back lang yung konti. I'm actually still recording. Sumusulat lang naman si Luis. Yes, pero never lalabas yun sa awan.
Never! Masama!
No, it's not really on a hold. Parang, it's just like getting on a bike, which I never do. Getting on a bike. It's just like, it's like getting on a bike. You just have to start slow. And right now, it's a blessing na naman that I'm still here. And I have
Tama!
talent, showtime, and we have extra shows on the side. So parang, yes, ASAP. So it's time consuming talaga. And we're just waiting for the right time. Patience. It's a blessing na binigyan pa naman ako ng opportunity to come back to France. So it's never too late.
Yes, tama. Tama.
I'm young. I'm so young.
Young! Yun, no! Yay! Ano? Yun.
Pero mas, pupunin ba yung relationship? Pumunta ka naman ako, pagpupunta na ba sa altar?
Ang sweet naman. Yun!
Yan ang sinabi ng Swatch. Tama. Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo. But yes, you know what? I'm very happy. Actually, the last time that I was here in Eli was for your birthday.
Yes.
And it's just such a blessing that I get to share beautiful moments outside the world with Nikki and her family. So I am very happy and I'm very proud to say that I am, hopefully Nikki, we are just staying strong.
Yes. Habib, yay. Ang haba na nito.
Saturdays and Sundays po yan.
Yes, we have a show actually. Kasama dyan si Iya Paa.
Iya.
Friends of Sur and for
Iya pa. Bakit?
April 2 Anchorage, Alaska. Of course, kasama ko si Nikki Hill, Iya Balanya. Yes, and Joey. And of course, Pilipinas Got Talent tonight, 8:45. Abangan niyo po. It's gonna be amazing.
Kaya nga talagang bibigay ko sa kung aking birthday.
Last Thursday, special red carpet screening ng upcoming series Minsan Lang Kita Ibigin, kung saan magkakasama sina Andy Tucson,
Malikot Ate LJ. Oh my God, oh my God.
Umpisa pa lang naman ng minsan lang kita ibigin. Sino pang pula? So, tingnan natin kung pagkatapos ng minsan lang kita ibigin.
Yung Mara.
Hindi nakakatuwa kasi habang nakikilala mo siya,